Dear students, today we are going to start class 7 mathematics lesson number 1. The name of the topic is integers. In the last earlier classes, means in class 6, you have learned few things about integers. In class 7, you will learn more about the integers. So let us recall few things about the integers. The first one is natural number. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 means so on, means infinite, are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number does not exist. Here the number 1, 2, 3, starting from 1 and infinite. You cannot count all the natural numbers. They are called natural numbers. And that is why natural numbers start from 1. So the smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number does not exist. You cannot count all the natural numbers. That is why the largest natural numbers does not exist. Yareko. Sida haise counting number habidi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and akona thibse. Thiba loiba khamba nairo. Loiba khamba naida habidi infinite numbers le ne ba. Koi thiba loiba ngammaro have natural numbers ko. Aduna 1 sina kai the smallest number no 1 na howe have. 1 howe ni ko. The largest number does not exist. Largest number is late. Hari simaram sina karigina and the queen thibedo loibedo ngamdramna karambana quite salvedo kangro aduna does not exist. Yareko matangdam matangi topic ta less next whole number. The collection of 0 and all the natural numbers are called whole number. Habidi 0 haiba masing siga natural numbers haibisi punjalaga kai seme whole number seme. Ado koi whole number kai dagi iba horai koi 0 1 2 3 dot 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 idoni ko sisu so on infinite numbers ni 0 ga natural number silai re 0 silai si punjala kai seme ba whole number semi have ko and whole number start counting from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number and the greatest number of whole number does not exist. Natural number ki monga masu same like natural numbers. Whole number doesn't have any greatest number. The smallest number of whole number is 0. Next, negative number. The negative of counting numbers, there is -1, -2, -3, dot 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 so on, are called negative numbers. Negative numbers si kai neba karamba negative sign yaura count of masing sing ko negative number kawi masi akoina kamaina haina hai negative number se kamaina khangi kari kari de season nei ha matanda akoina post handarapa decrease to ko matanda akoina natural number se season nei ha ko akhadi population decrease adai temperature decrease adagi length decrease to ko handarapa matanda akoina te minus sign negative sign sin habidi akoina temperature se -2 chale -3 chale kan haina matam kai daweba kari sina negative numbers ne was negative sign sina ba number yaroga negative sign se yaro even numbers sin ko koina kari ko negative numbers ko yang se how we should yang sa na matang yege let us draw one chart ama yege ko sa se kai fa se kari natural numbers plus 0 one natural number na kai form to ba whole number form to e but whole number plus negative number ga ko same kai same ba mo integer side same sini akoi na yeng bi natural number ga 0 ga plus to whole number same whole number negative number ga plus to kai same integer se same yeng se integer definition da kai ha ge ko the collection of whole numbers and a negative number is called integers ko whole number si lai negative number si lai sigi number mayam punjala kai same ba whole number integer same ba negative number ga whole number punjala integer same ye ba the smallest or the greatest integer does not exist. Smallest, say in the integers there is no smallest or greatest number. Then -1, -2, -3 so on are called negative integers. +1, +2, +3 so on are called positive integers. Habidi integers have say whole number ga negative number ga na punla ga semba sorry, whole number ga negative number ga semba punjalaga semi have ko adu integers sida achauba integers dagi achauba integers masa have leite have ko adu -1 -2 -3 ana akhoi irakpa matamda kai kaweba sina negative integers ni have ko +1 +2 +3 sina kai kaweba positive integers ni have gyan tare ko next la ko 0 is neither positive or negative 0 masing whole and integers yaw se ma se positive su oide negative su oide have aduna kari hare it is smaller than every positive integer aduna ma se positive integer sing sidagi di 0 sina khwai di pikpa masing oi have aduga n every negative integer dai mana sawa heli have aduna sidam yengasi -1 is the greatest negative integer -1 sina khwai di sawa have ko and +1 is the smallest positive integers +1 sina positive integers adi mana khwai di apikpa number oi have next number line adi kaino line ama singbirani akoina line mayai di 0 thambirani 0 sigi right side ta satpa sina positive integers positive number ne lobirani left side ta satpa sina kari negative integers ne lobirani ado the number line was created by John Wallis, an English mathematician. Number line was created by the English mathematician John Wallis ko English ki mathematician na number line se create to be have ko yeng si number line do kamana to no have number line de add to ba the subtraction to se mamang su no class ke no to gore ado let's see 8 number line de add to hare on number line 2 plus 5 yamna example yam live example sing to se koi number line so yi kuyani maya di 0 thambirani 0 is som sasina kai ko positive ore som sasina kai ko negative ore 1 2 3 4 5 ana ko ismaina lobiran number se 6 follow so yare adu sida kai re 2 plus 5 and 2 plus 5 te ko 7 ta du khangi 7 ta se ko du khangi ko adu ye si ye ga su to wi ai he ni ko 2 0 dai sala ni 1 2 2 plus 5 have na plus on kana to 5 1 2 3 4 5 answer je kya tare 7 dai the 2 dong yeng asi 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 is 3 dai je koi khange adu yeng asi yam samba it's very easy example yam alive example ni ko koi na to is ha ma da kai se 0 dagi kya chalo 6 times alani ko ade amuk kana minus to 3 times 1 2 3 du kya tare answer 3 tare sumaina to dana number line se so koi addition to plus to season na hai ko aduna number line se integers plus to in plus minus se su season na su to hai ko integers ni se integers in se plus minus to je ko number line so dum to number line without number line so to hai ko adu mathang yeng se next ta ko ni yeng du se number line khang re number line se John Wallis ko English ki mathematician na thokpane se koi khange ko mathang the addition on the subtraction of integers subtraction the number line na to without number line the addition to and subtraction the let's discuss first point addition of two positive integers give positive integers means if you take two positive integers when you add the result of the sign will come positive let's see the example I'm verify to see point number 1 point number 1 let's see the point number 1 example of point number 1 point number 1 example sida koni yeng du si 8 kana a have a masing a have a 2 have a masing siga b have a masing b da 4 have a masing ani mak loi positive matan mawani se kai do a plus b to matam da answer se 2 plus 4 answer se kya ta 6 ta hai the quite fast points na se addition of two positive integers give positive sign ko haibidi adoi ta de khoi na ji khang do si positive integers ani plus to matam da add to matam da kai ta ba positive adum ta ni positive integer se adum tani haibako mana se su higher ko so sorry addition of two positive integers give positive sign. Next, addition of two negative integers give a minus sign or negative sign. Means when if you take two negative integers, when you add, the result of the sign of the result will be negative. Let's verify the point number 2. Point number 2, what point number 2 says? A is equal to minus 2 and B is equal to minus 4. If you add these two, A plus minus 4. So minus plus minus. The answer will come 6. See, here also if you add two negative sign, the answer will become, the result of the sign will come negative. When you add two negative sign yawa integers ani ka plus to matam add to matam da kai my answer ji mamang da kai sign la kane ba should be negative sign ko 3 dong yeng asi. Addition of integers and a positive signs gives negative sign or positive sign. Habidi integers negative integers and positive integers add to matam da my sign se negative su thok pa yai positive su thok pa yai. Now let's verify point number 3. Means that if you add two negative, if you add negative and a positive integers, one negative and one positive integers, you will, when you get the answer in front of the answer, you will get minus a negative sign or you will get positive sign. Let's verify. Yes, verify the point number 3 se verify the point number 3 is verify the ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯖꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯖꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯁꯦ 6 ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ 10 ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ 4 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ. ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯁꯨ 10 ꯁꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 4 ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗꯤ 4 ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ. ꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯁꯤ. ꯕꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯕꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ. ꯕꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ. ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ minus 8 plus minus 5 ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯁꯤ. 8 minus plus minus ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ 3. ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯁꯦ 8 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ 8ꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯂꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯒꯤꯚꯁ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯚꯦꯔꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ subtraction of two negative integers. Negative integers ꯑꯅꯤꯒ subtraction ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ. Negative integers ꯑꯅꯤ subtraction ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯌꯦꯀꯣ. Negative integersꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ. 4ꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ minus 3 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ minus 6 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ add ꯇꯧꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ. subtraction ꯇꯧꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ. subtractionꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ. subtraction ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 4 ꯁꯤꯅꯤ. minus 3 minus plus से क्या तारे प्लस का माइनस का ना चाहे माइनस तौरने को 6 minus 3 दी 3 साइन दी करी थमनी साइन से करी थमनी पॉजिटिव का नेगेटिव का दी ले रहे अदु न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से कना ना चाहे 6 ना चाहे 6 मान कई ले अदुना प्लस थमनी कोई माइनस थम याद अदुना कई थे आमदा पॉजिटिव थे ए अदे मथंग दम येंगसी सिना ए ओहलसी सिना बी अमुनो नेगेटिव साइन से खरा सौगम लो से -10 minus minus 10 plus minus plus minus plus 3 jadi kai tare sign su negative na chaure numerical value chaw su kana chaure 10 na chaure aduna minus 10 plus 3 equal to 7 sign se kai na chaw hele numerical value kana na wangi 10 na wangi 10 na wangamina 10 na wangi 10 na wangamina sin 7 kay leni minus lani haibdi minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7 haba rest is negative to ado itadi mana nga side subtraction of two integers se tawma tan da khona kari kari phangbu ya haba negative sign sorry positive sign ju phangbu ya negative sign ju phangi haba ko next last isi yengase subtraction of a positive and negative integers subtraction of positive integers anga negative integers anga subtraction tawma tan kai targe se yengase ko kai first akoina positive integer 6 haba lore minus negative integer am lore minus minus plus kai first kari wore positive sign the sina a ko ani le mani yengase ko muthang negative sign am lore se minus 8 se negative lore sina plus 3 minus 8 minus plus minus 3 sidati kana minus plus 11 tare sign di kana loroni numerical value as we man le sign se lorni minus lorni tadi subtraction of positive and negative integers se kari phange ba koina positive integer su phangi negative integer su phangi ha ko khangani ko aduna nga side di hai ma addition and subtraction of two integers when you add two negative integers you will get positive integers. Point number 2, when you add two negative integers, you will get negative sign. Means negative integers. Addition of negative and a positive gives negative integers or positive integers according to the numerical value. Next, number 4, the subtraction of two negative integers. When you subtract two integers, you will get one negative integers and one positive integers. Same like that. In Roman number 5, also subtraction of positive and negative integers, you will get one negative integers and one positive integers. Kange ko si mamang si bokti laire mathang da koina lagado se property lagadoi properties. So before we start properties of negative integers and properties of addition, properties of subtraction. Just wind up few points that we have done. First, we have natural number, second, whole number, negative number, integers, integers, natural number plus 0, whole number plus negative number, natural number, natural number is a collection of whole numbers and negative numbers in natural number form that we had natural number greatest number like minus 1 minus 2 negative integers plus 1 plus 2 is positive integers 0 is negative so positive so or the higher adu maje khwaidagi pikpa positive integers the maje khwaidagi pikpa oi hare ko is the smallest positive integers the mana khwaidagi pi hare aduga amu greater than kanadagi negative integers the mana solve hele no hare ko number line ye khare number line se kana na puthoi John Wallis na puthoi English mathematician hare akoi na hojik to addition and subtraction of integers haiba tawre ko sidai se yaure point manga se koi nei na gare addition ani positive integers ani addition to madan positive tani hare ko negative integers ani add to madan negative integers tani hare negative integers and positive integers plus addition to negative integers to tabi positive integers to tabi hare subtraction of two negative integers to kaita hare positive integers to tie negative integers to tie hare subtraction of positive and negative integers to positive integers to negative integers to tie ani hare ko sibok thing asi khajana gyan tare ko aduna next session da haitare next session da koina properties of addition for integers haibanga koina what is it properties of subtraction of integers haibanga wali the mathang the multiplication of integers my property adagi division gi property mayam the mathang gi session da amuk thengnaraga amuk khanana inarasi ko ngasi gi di swaida sum loisalasi yumda su nakhoisu si video si yenga lai khara paro ko thank you.